Hello, welcome to the series of How to Code Fast. Yesterday we talked about how to design a sidebar menu without coding by just copy and paste your code. Today we are going to discuss how to design a toggle sidebar. First of all, we need to create a new folder. For example, new folder, toggle sidebar, and name it toggle sidebar. We need to open this folder in VS Code, close the welcome screen, create a new file, name it let's suppose index.html, and set a boilerplate. After that, create a new style sheet, style.css, and another file for JavaScript code, say script.js. So now we need to link these files in our HTML file. First of all, say it's a style sheet, style.css, save this file, and now the script tag JavaScript file, and source script.js, save this file. Now come to the browser, and the first step, what we have to do here, what we have to search toggle sidebar. Come to this link, and what you have to do, just copy the HTML tag, HTML code from here, Control C, and paste above the script tag, Control V. Save this file. Now open this with live server. Here you can see the sidebar menu, but there is no styling, just a simple HTML file. So now we need to add some CSS to our sidebar menu, toggle sidebars. For that, we need to go back to our CSS code, and from here copy the code, copy all the code, Control C, and paste in our style sheet, Control V. Save this file. Now come to the live server. Here now you can see some styling here, a beautiful sidebar menu. Now what we have to do, copy the JavaScript code from here, copy this code and paste in script file, Control V, save this file. Now you can see toggle sidebar menu. By clicking this, we can see this toggle sidebar menu. What you have to do, just copy and paste. No need to write your own code because it is time consuming. If you are a good programmer, you have to use these skills in your programming for time saving. Thank you.